Just the Silkie breeding coop update. I would say it's about 80% done. I still have to cut the access doors in the back to gather eggs and clean it out. But each section still needs divided with hardware cloth. And I decided to leave it trimmed out with privacy panel planks. I like that look. They're cedar, and I just would rip them and trim it out. Still need to add some more to it, and I need to cut in some places for some ventilation. But all in all, it's been a little bit since I updated you guys on it. Again, each section, and you can check from my previous videos, I describe a little bit more about the dimensions, but each section is 4 foot by 6 foot, and then it is 12 foot from here to here. So essentially you have a relatively large space for each section. So, all right, I'll shoot another video when I have another big step done.